you see, what they've actually said today, and so this was decided on a submission that was put by the lawyers, and I put an intervention in as well, was what is the meaning of a judicial authority? Now, we argued, and the lawyers argued, that a judicial authority meant a proper judge or a court of law, because it's a centuries-old principle of English law that you cannot be a judge in your own case, and the prosecutor in Sweden was going to try this case is therefore also the person requesting extradition, so it wasn't independent. The court actually came to an extraordinary judgment, in my view, which was that the original EU framework decision used the French word authority judiciale, which had a wide variety of meanings, including a prosecutor. So although our own parliament and our own government minister believes a judicial authority means a proper court or a proper judge, that was overturned, and it was decided that the meaning of the word in French was actually what mattered, and therefore they threw out the submission. I think it's extraordinary. It means that now English law has been decided on the meaning of a French word.
Well, absolutely. There is this concern that, the Swedish authority, indeed the US influence in this case, has sort of, in a sense, overridden the British justice system here.
Well, I have to tell you that the British justice system has been overridden by the EU now for some time. They're creating their own system of criminal law. The European arrest warrant is a key part of this. And in fact, the English and Scottish courts now have no power to protect people from extradition. They really have no power to prevent an extradition. Providing a piece of paper has been correctly filled out, name, address, the nature of the offence, they don't have to supply any evidence. And the court is not allowed to take into account the prima facie evidence, or lack of it, against the accused person. As Mr. Assange has found out. This is not about the evidence against him, about whether it stacks up or not. It's about the meaning of a word in French.